Did you know that thousands of trees are cut down every day just to make toilet paper? What if we could save all those trees? Here at VOVO Corporation, we know everything about this problem, and since 2001, we are dedicated to improve the quality of life for future generations by developing eco-friendly products. To achieve this goal, we have developed a smart bidet toilet, VOVO STYLEMENT. VOVO STYLEMENT is a sophisticated piece of technology with bidet and toilet in one. Simply walk into the room and it will automatically open for you. LED nightlight guides you in the dark. Enjoy the comfort with wide heated seat. Soft touch remote provides easy operation. 5 adjustable water pressures with self-cleaning full stainless steel nozzle guarantees hygienic usage. Warm air dryer in 3 adjustable temperatures reduces usage of toilet paper. Auto flushing system provides hand-free operation. So enjoy and always be comfortable with VOVO STYLEMENT.